So guys, besides the usual great titles, description, thumbnails, tags, playlists, let's see what other methods there are to gain more subscribers and views to your YouTube channel. A great way to get more subscribers and more views is to promote your content on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Reddit, Discord, and so on. When I started my VR channel, the most traffic came from Reddit, for example, in my niche because there are so many subs on Reddit for this niche. So depending on your niche, you may want to go to reddit.com, create an account, and start browsing subs about your niche. Join and start posting the YouTube links there. You can also create a page of your own and post the videos there. Remember, social media indexes in Google almost instantly, so your videos might be discovered instantly on Google search as well. When you create the title for your thread, make sure to use good keywords that will get indexed and people will search for. Another good example is, of course, Facebook and Twitter. You might not want to post the link to your YouTube video on your post because no platform likes their users out of it. So instead, you can create a 30-second or 1-minute video from your current video. For example, I was cutting the beginning of the video. Upload that to your post and put a link to the YouTube video in the description or on your first comment on Facebook. That way, people that are interested will click on it and view the full video, and you also get discovered on the social media platform. You can, of course, post to Facebook groups, put the link on your own personal page, and so on. But don't be spammy because you will get banned so fast. Just keep it natural. On Instagram, you can add your YouTube link on your bio and also on stories while posting short videos or photos. Commenting is a great way to bring more subscribers and views to your channel. By commenting on other people's videos related to your channel, people tend to click on your name and they are brought to your channel. From there, they can see that you are doing videos to their interest and they might watch and even subscribe to your channel. So simply go ahead, find related channels to your niche, subscribe to them, and turn notifications on, and add a comment to their videos. But again, don't get spammy on that, and make natural comments related to the video. Also, respond to the comments on your videos that other people add and engage with them. You might want to add your first comment to your video, pin it and heart it so others might reply to that and start engaging with your video. Create short videos and post them on your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Once you reach 500 subscribers, you will get access to the Community tab on your channel. Here you can post updates, let people know when you upload a new video, and start engaging again with your community. So simply add the video thumbnail, your video title, and the link. You can also do paid posts to get more traffic to your channel by paying other people to post on their Community tab. You want to find channels related to your content with at least 1 million subscribers. Go to their Community tab and see if they have a great engagement on their posts. Then simply find their contact info, send them an email, and ask them if they can sponsor a post on their Community tab. The same way goes on Instagram. You would find people in your niche and ask them about either a post or a story posting. You can also find forums, Q&A websites like Quora.com, where you can post your links, or even create a profile and add your channel link there. On forums, you can also buy signatures with a link to your channel or video that people will click on. Consider also starting a blog, either a free one on Medium or Blogger, and start adding some content, maybe your own YouTube video script, and put the video link there as well. Or get a cheap hosting with WordPress and start your own blog. Blogs are indexed fast in Google, and from there, there's a small step to your YouTube channel. Create a LinkedIn profile and page and start adding posts with your video links there as well, and even a Pinterest profile. Another great thing I did for my VR community were giveaways, where I am also doing on the BScene Academy. Giveaways are a great way to bring people to see your content and, of course, give back to the community. You can run giveaways on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and use websites like Gleam.io, where you can create a giveaway to make people do several actions to join the giveaway. This was the last lesson on the YouTube Advanced course. If you haven't enrolled yet, check out the YouTube Automation, where you will learn how to turn YouTube into a full-time income without ever showing your face or recording a video yourself. Don't forget to check the community forums, where you can ask your questions or seek advice for anything that is related to YouTube. I also have some amazing giveaways for you, so make sure to check that out as well. Have an amazing day.